Ever sent crypto on Breet and started wondering, wait, why is this transaction still pending? You refresh a few times and nothing changes. Don't worry, nothing is wrong. Here is what's really happening. When you send crypto, it first enters a digital waiting room called the Mempool. That is where your transaction stays until it's picked up and confirmed on blockchain by the network. At this stage, neither you nor Breet can speed it up. The blockchain controls how fast or slow it is. So what determines how fast it goes? Two main things. One, how busy the network is. When many people are sending crypto at once, confirmations slow down. Two, the network fee. Higher fees usually get confirmed faster. So when sending your crypto, make sure you're sending on the right network. You use a reasonable network fee, and if you can, avoid sending during peak hours. So if you ever see pending on Breet, do not panic. Your crypto isn't lost, it is just waiting to be confirmed securely on the blockchain. Once it is confirmed, your transaction will automatically affect your Breet balance. At Breet, your safety and transparency comes first, even if it takes a few extra minutes.